Welcome to Apex Academic Center. In this video, we'll show you exactly what to do after you've received a tutoring booking and how to successfully conduct your online lesson using our learning management system. Let's get started with the walkthrough. Once a parent books a lesson and you're matched with the student, you'll receive a booking notification. You may receive your booking through 3 different channels: WhatsApp, email, or your Tutor Dashboard on the MyApex app. We recommend enabling notifications on all 3 platforms so that you never miss a booking. Once you've received the notification, simply log into your Tutor Dashboard to review the lesson details. Inside your dashboard, open the Bookings or My Classes section. Here you'll find all the information about your upcoming lesson, including student name, subject, grade, curriculum, and time. Always review these details before your lesson begins so you're fully prepared. When it's time for your lesson, simply click Join Lesson or Start Lesson. This will automatically open your online classroom. There is no need to create a separate Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams meeting. Everything takes place securely inside the Apex Academic Center LMS. Once you enter the classroom, your student will join through their parent or student portal. When both of you have joined, you can immediately begin your lesson using the built-in video conferencing system. One of the most powerful teaching tools available is the interactive whiteboard. You can use it to explain concepts, write equations, draw diagrams, and solve mathematical problems together with your student. If you need to present worksheets, PowerPoint slides, or textbooks, simply click Share Screen. Before sharing your screen, remember to close any personal or unrelated windows to protect your privacy. Once your lesson is complete, make sure you end the session correctly through the LMS. Depending on your dashboard permissions, you may also be asked to mark attendance, record lesson notes, or provide student feedback. Thank you for being part of the Apex Academic Center family. For more information, visit our website, call us, or email our support team. We wish you every success in your tutoring journey.